Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to fix a common Windows error when you run a program or open folder and you see the error message, Windows cannot access the specified device, path, or file. This error usually appears due to missing permissions, a corrupted file, or because Windows is blocking access to it. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and fix it. First, we need to make sure the file path is accessible and that your user account has permission to run the application. So right-click on the application that's giving the error and select Properties. When the Properties window opens, go to Security tab. Here, select your Windows user account and click the Edit button. A new Permissions window will open. Again, select your user and under Permissions, make sure Full Control is checked. This gives your account complete access. Then after that, click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Next, let's confirm that the Applications folder actually exists. Go to the Shortcut tab in the same Properties window, copy the text from the target field, paste it into Windows Search and try open it. If the folder opens, that means the installation path is still there. You can also simply click Open File Location, which will take you directly to the program's install folder. Once you've verified this, close the Properties window. Now try run the application again, and if errors still appear, then next go to Windows Search and search Windows Security and open it. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down and click on Manage Settings. From here, temporarily turn off real-time protection. Sometimes Windows Defender blocks apps from running, so disable it briefly and test whether the application opens. If the issue's still not solved, move on to the next step. Now click on Windows Start button and go to Settings. Click on Windows Update and scroll down a bit, and you will see the Windows Insider Program option. If your system is enrolled in the Insider Program, make sure you leave it by clicking the Leave the Insider Program link. After exiting the Insider Program, try launching the application again and check if the Windows cannot access the specified device, path, or file error is resolved. If none of the methods work, the issue may be caused by corrupted system files. So for fixing this, click on the Start menu, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. First, type the command sfc/scan now and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete and repair any detected issues. Once it finishes, type the second command. I will provide both commands in video description so you can copy and paste it. Let this process complete as well. And after that, restart your PC and try opening the application again. This should completely fix the Windows cannot access the specified device, path, or file error. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in next video.